It's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Not only does the stylish exterior design awash you in confidence, the capabilities will too. 3 rows of seating and cargo room galore challenge you to fill it up. The V8 engine comes in to conquer all demands. Wi-Fi hotspot and color touchscreen media display are ready to respond to your needs. Plus, the front and rear parking assist, rear vision camera, and remote vehicle start will make coming and going a breeze. Well built, well liked, and well up to the task. This Yukon XL is ready for a test drive today. Here's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. To complement the utility of this full-size SUV, GMC designed a remarkably quiet cabin filled with premium materials and put it all in a boldly designed exterior. The V8 engine has the horsepower and torque to handle any towing you need to do. You'll love the remote vehicle start, front and rear parking assist, as well as the tri-zone climate control and color touchscreen media display. When more is needed, the Yukon XL is up to the task. Make this one yours today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.